Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025, where we cover market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit, ready to guide you through today's financial developments. Key indexes were mixed, with 3 advancing and 2 retreating. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,827.83, gaining 15.20 points. Meanwhile, the S&P 400 MidCap index closed lower at 3,279.42, falling 11.35 points. Market breadth indicates mixed activity across major indexes. The Dow 30 index saw nearly equal advances and declines, 15 and 14 respectively. Meanwhile, the S&P 400 MidCap index experienced 132 advances against 265 declines, marking a challenging day for midcaps. Reviewing returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index displayed resilience with a year-to-date total return of 21.25%. In contrast, the S&P 400 MidCap Index trailed with a negative week-to-date return of 0.88%, hinting at recent sluggish performance. Industrials led the best performers today, closing up by 11.16 points to 1,290.30. Strong momentum was also seen in the technology sector, posting a gain of 47.80 points to end at 5,751.92, marking its 4th consecutive daily increase. Energy was the day's weakest sector, dropping 8.85 points to finish at 684.5. Basic materials followed suit with a decline of 4.64 points, closing at 556.52 amidst a trend of mixed negative movement. Utilities and healthcare also faced downward pressure. Strong performances were seen in global markets. Brazil iShares ETF advanced 1.8% to a year-high close of 34.3, while Chile iShares ETF hit a new all-time high at 38.29, reflecting robust global investor interest. Year-to-date, South Korea iShares ETF shows impressive progress with an 80.92% return, while Austria iShares ETF continued its upward trend with a remarkable 7 straight days of gains, reflected in a 59.51% annual return. Today, the technology sector showed some stable upward movement. Apple stands out with an impressive close at 286.19, a rise of 3.9, marking a new all-time high with strong upward volatility. Alphabet continues its positive trend with a mild gain. Amazon also closed higher, benefiting from a 3-day positive streak. Meta Platforms rose by 6.23, despite a mixed negative trend. Nvidia saw an upward breakout, closing at 181.46 after being flat for days.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently surging at 91,363.58, up 5,081.22, a rise of 5.8%. Despite this, it remains in a very strong negative trend. Ethereum sees a similar spike, up 6.7%, standing at 2,987.70, still stuck in a strong negative trend. BNB at 876.12, increased by 5.9%, showing mixed negative movement. Solana climbs to 138.66, a 9.4% increase, but faces a very strong negative trend. Finally, Dogecoin is priced at 0.1456, up 7.3%, yet experiences downward volatility and has been flat for 3 days. In crypto returns, Solana outperforms with a week-to-date return of 3.82%. BNB shows a year-to-date rise of 24.98%. In contrast, Dogecoin is down 53.84% year to date, despite a temporary price lift. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum have experienced negative year-to-date returns, highlighting persistent bearish trends in the crypto market.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar that euro is currently at 0.8601, down 0.0018, marking a decline for 3 consecutive days. In contrast, the US dollar British pound is up at 0.7570, with a mixed positive trend. US dollar Japanese yen shows a strong positive trend, rising to 155.8910. Meanwhile, the US dollar Swiss franc has slipped to 0.8032 despite a strong positive trend. Lastly, US dollar Australian dollar has declined to 1.5228, experiencing a negative trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.